Hey y'all, today we're gonna be playing Roblox and we're gonna either play these three games given down below.
Which game?
These three games.
Three?
Rivals, Fish, or Blocks first. I'm gonna do eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Wait. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger. You shut up. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger bites, so if it bites, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Fish, get it.
I wanted fish. Let's go.
My brother wanted fish, and I mean, he plays fish. Probably because I gave him the Arctic rod. I know he can't try rods, but I helped him get it. Like, I gave him some money. Not money, like, what's it called? Fishies. I farmed on his account.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. You just go on a computer, hack my account, and I have my account still. Because I'm just
I didn't hack your account.
Yeah.
I think my fishing rod just did a double take. If you guys know, in the last video we played rivals and fish, and there's a love storm right now, man. I'm going for it. But the resilience on this thing is bad, so now. Dude, just move your flipping boat. I'm not gonna go for it. Wait, I have a question.
You have to get the love storm?
No, I'm just gonna.
I see a love storm. It looks like a donkey.
I think the best spot while grinding with Clever on the
Why did you go to the love storm?
rod of theft is probably Grand Reef. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Grand Reef. I don't love around you, girl. You know me.
What are you saying?
You won. My brother has more money than me, but I repeat, I am a higher level than him.
But I repeat, I'm a more higher level.
Where am I?
Where am I?
Oh, here.
Alright.
He's literally mocking me right now. Little does he know, on the day of judgment, he's gonna be the one going to hell. And now he's acting like flipping donkey. And he thinks it's funny because he has the ugliest face and voice in the world.
What? What did you just say to me?
Yeah, I just roasted him on cam.
No, you didn't roast me. You just blah, blah.
It was paused the whole time. Right now we on it by pressing Q. Okay, hey guys. So yeah, I just skipped all the way from Moslet Bay to Grand Reef. Cause yeah. And on my first try I got Coral Emperor. Yeah, it's Coral Emperor. This
So
thing
why
is gonna.
don't you just let it go away? If it gets away, you're alone.
You won't get away, G.
If
But
you
guys,
let it, you're alone. And if it goes away.
I'm not gonna listen to you guys. I didn't mean you guys. I was saying to my brother because
you
he's.
mean the guy. You mean the guy.
Okay, did I just went? Shut up, Ghosty. My arms.
I just win a fish.
Went fishing. My brother doesn't know how to read.
Win fishing, I know how to read. My sister is ugly. I see a boy and I tell my mother say,
Guys, thank God, guys, thank God my, what is it called, the mic is on my neck and not next to my brother. You don't want to hear what he's saying right now. Let's just say he's saying bad stuff.
What?
Not like bad words, just bad things about me, yeah.
How much money do I have right now? 80,000 I think so. But it said 8, 1.
I don't care, I have 50,000. I don't really care, man.
Yeah, I can just buy a yacht.
No, man, don't do that.
What?
Finally, my suffering. Oh my god, he just gave me a Grand Reef Guardian. Dude, Ghost, you're the best. This is gonna be the best farm of my life. Bro. At least Grand Reef has better luck for my Ghosty. And me, I mean. Dude, I love how the rod effects look. Is there a skin I can get for it? I'm going over and keep running. Okay.
Seriously, why this last?
No.
Why?
Wait. Okay, bye guys.